Big inhale for me. Out. Oh, good morning, guys. How are you doing? Today's video, you're gonna come and get pampered with me. Firstly, I've got to say, I feel like my makeup looks absolutely fantastic today, if I do say so myself. Anyway, that is something for another day to talk about, but today is the start of my pampering season, and I've never been someone who took pampering very seriously. I'm like, work. I was like, no, I'm getting a massage, I'm getting a wax, I'm getting a spray tan, I'm gonna get my eyelashes done, I'm getting an eyebrow weave. I saw a video from Only Bells and I was like, ooh, this looks good. I need this. I need to like book like some things that I need to do that are just gonna help me feel all round like special and amazing. So I am off to go and get a massage. I don't think I've ever once had a massage in the UK, like ever. And then I'm getting actually a wax because guess what? I have not seen my fanny. Yes, I use the term fanny for about 4.5 months. I do not know what is going on down there, but I'm getting a sugaring wax rather than a wax because I think I shared with you a horror story when it's come to waxing in my last wax in Thailand, where I ended up with like literally a sea of bumps and it was like not a good look. Hopefully this time sugaring is going to be a bit more gentle and a bit safer because obviously there's a bun in the oven. All around, my body just needs love. So I'm here at Gazelle House and I'm about to have like a water bathy pregnancy massage. It's really, really gorgeous in here. Just had my consultation and I'm ready.
There is nothing like getting rubbed up and down with oils, especially on your swollen cankles, which I absolutely loved. And this was really good. It felt like I was floating because I was on this waterbed.
So I'm lying down on a water pillow. It kind of feels like I'm floating. I am oiled and moisturized and this is phenomenal. So I have just finished my massage. It's basically a water bathy immersion massage with like oil, super gentle. I feel so relaxed and my skin has never looked more plump. On to the next. All right guys, I'm feeling very relaxed. I'm about to go and get sugared and sprayed. I'm going to a place called Sugar and Sprayed for the sugaring and a spray tan because I actually have an event where my legs are going to be out and I want them to look like perfect and really, really nice. So yeah, I'm going to go and do that now. It's actually a really nice day and I'm excited. I feel very relaxed. Like self-pampering, take one. I'm here for it. I'm loving it. About to get sugared. Shay has just shown me what the sugar looks like. It looks quite edible. Like, can we show you this, Shay? This looks really good. Like, I can't wait for this to go. Actually, I shouldn't say I can't wait because it's probably going to hurt a little bit, but supposedly it's a lot safer and gentler for the skin than waxing. And it's like, it's warm. It's not warm. It's like normal body temperature. Yeah. So anything your arm for me.
So sugaring, really interesting. Basically, it is a special form of sugar that is heated to the perfect temperature that basically grabs your skin and takes it out without actually snapping the hairs. And yeah, it's meant to be more gentle. And so I went for the Brazilian.
Sugaring down below, which I won't be sharing with you guys. I might keep my reaction. Breathe in for me. Out. Big inhale for me. Out.
I've got to say that a deep breath in and out really do help despite how crazy I look.
Okay, about to get in the tent and get my spray tan now. Okay, I am back in spray tan completed. My battery actually died, but it was actually a decent enough process. The color will develop overnight, so I cannot wait to see what I look like a little bit later. I should be like bronze and shiny, perfect for an event. I'm not gonna have a bath tonight, but I will do my skincare routine. Finish tonight off with my nighttime skincare routine, and I want to give a shout out to my sponsors Estee Lauder for creating the Advanced Night Repair collection. I have been using this consistently since February, and I feel like the routine has really been making a difference to my life and to my skin. Hormones plus regime equals perfection. I'm going to go ahead with the Advanced Night Repair. This is the Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. This is the product I've been using for the longest. Hyaluronic acid, my baby. It's all about the moisture, but I love the fact that it is also anti-aging. Now that I'm investing into myself, like stuff like this makes my life even better. Did you see how I just went from grey to like warm? And with my tan, oh my gosh. After that, I layer with my second product. Yes, I like products. I know if you are not a product junkie, then I'm sorry, I am. So next I go in with the Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. And this I love because it has antioxidant properties, which is all about protecting your skin from the free radicals that you experience on a day-to-day basis. And it's also super moisturizing as well. This is great for resetting your skin, rebalancing your skin, and also protecting it. And finally, I'm going to top it up with a nighttime moisturizer. Yes, I put on a lot of layers. Yes, I'm worth it. Yes, this video is about pampering, so get to know I have a really intense nighttime regime, but the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Night again is a great moisturizer, a little bit thicker. I like using a moisturizer on top of my serums to really lock it in, and in the morning I'm so radiant and my skin is so glowy, it's mad. I feel like it's like the layer I need to seal in all the goodness. Can you see the way my skin glows? Like honestly, it makes such a difference. If you don't have a nighttime regime, you need to have one. I will have a link down below to my Estee Lauder goodies. Okay, good night. Future Afro Patricia interjecting here right about now. Just watching my vlog back, and I didn't get to show you exactly what my tan looked like afterwards because I had a really big event. I went to the Naomi Campbell Fashion for Relief event, and I'm telling you, living my life like it's golden, my tan came out fabulous the next day. I was slightly like orangey, but like I love that kind of color, and it's a clear tan that develops into color. So it's not that you've got a color on you, there's no tint on it, it's that you develop a natural color afterwards. I know it's very subtle, but I love it. And also I realized that tanning can be quite controversial for women of color, and I feel like sometimes people are like, no, you don't need a tint. I want it. I don't need makeup, I don't need weaves, I don't need this stuff, but I like it. Okay, it makes me feel good, and it might be just it makes me feel good from the inside, but I feel that glow on the outside. And there are little tweaks and stuff that, why can't I try that? Who told me I can't? Which law says so many people like, you can't do this? There is no law. If you want to try something, try it. Don't be bound by what people say you can or cannot do. And my fanny is extra smooth right now. Tuning in again, my week of pampering continues. I am going to go for an amazing facial at Core Blimey Beauty. I've seen this lovely lady on Instagram who basically looks like she just slays and does all this stuff that I've never seen done before when it comes to facials. I've got to say, guys, this was the best facial and the most thorough facial I've ever had. I started off with some microdermabrasion, and then I went ahead and had some extractions, and then a nice little facial massage. And then, listen, this lady's amazing. I went in for like some like I don't know what this is. It's like cryotherapy with these ice cold balls. And then we went in for an enzyme peel mask. After this, I was radiating. Like, it was crazy. So, my face is done. I'm off to do my brows. Please look how sickly my eyebrows look right about now. So I'm gonna go get those done. Okay, I'm here, getting ready. This is what my eyebrows look like before. I'm calling it an eyebrow weave. Okay, so going in with this eyebrow weave, firstly I started off with a prep, which is basically a classic wax, although I've never seen this wax before. And then we went ahead and tidied that up and then did the shape. And I wanted bold and kind of flat. And then I had a tint, which I've had a tint quite a few times in the past. It does make a huge difference. But this is when it got a little bit epic. Like, what? Individual eyebrow hairs. So I have now finished. Look at my eyebrows. They're official. Skin glowing and eyebrows. Good morning. She's fresh, she's fantastic, she's new, she's facialed out, she has these amazing brows. It's a brow weave. I've also got a hue of bronziness going on the skin here. So far it's been really good. I feel great because I think just sometimes taking time for yourself, like, it's more in the mind of how good you feel. But in general, like, for instance, having like brows done like this, like, it's like having permanent makeup. And then when I have my lashes done, it's gonna feel like permanent makeup as well. And I just love the idea of not having to do anything. Like, imagine having flawless skin, flawless brows, flawless lashes, everything flawless, like permanently. Flawless edges. That is my next goal. I got some comments, or I got one message from someone who's now blocked, by the way, that was like, you know, by you getting a fake tan, you're saying that someone else's skin tone is not good enough. Not at all, baby. Not at all. But if you want to try body enhancing treatments, why not? Don't feel that you can't try something because of this reason or that reason or because of something else. Like, no, it's a body treatment. I want it the same way I wanted foundation, in the same way I wanted makeup, in the same way I want other things with pigment. Why can't I have this? And I'm not saying that everybody has to or must do that. But if you're looking for options to enhance your physical appearance, there are so many options besides makeup. I think that's it from me right now. Unless I get my eyelashes done, I'll call this video a wrap. This is me having a bunch of treatments. God knows how much it all costs in total. But are they necessary? No. Are they nice to do? Yes. Do you do it for a special occasion, for a holiday, for, you know, a show or something? Yeah, sure. For your man, if you want to. Why not? Okay, guys, I'm done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all later. Bye bye.